Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to open a Bluevine business checking account. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a few step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. Step 1, go to Bluevine's official website, or you can choose to download the mobile app. And then once you've gotten it and you're in, just tap open an account and then choose business checking. Step 2 is to fill in your business details. You can enter your legal business name, as well as your type of entity, like LLC, sole proprietorship, or corporations. And of course, you're going to need to enter your business address. Now, if you operate under a DBA, you're going to add that as well. Step 3 is to provide your personal information. Enter your name, date of birth, social security number, and contact details. Bluevine requires this to verify you as the business owner. Step 4, upload documents. Depending on your entity type, you may need an EIN letter. You're also going to need business license or formation documents. So just follow the on-screen prompts to submit them securely. Final step is to review and submit your application. Bluevine will run a quick verification, and if approved, you're going to receive your new account number and routing number instantly. And that's it. You've opened your Bluevine business checking accounts. That's all for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.